Hi and Happy New Year 2020. I wish you guys the very best for this new year. As a base, I started off with this gorgeous Morgan Taylor called Put On Your Dancing Shoes. It has a satin finish, so I had to apply a glossy top coat. And then since I've been wearing it for a while now, I applied this red nail polish over it. It was chipping on the tips, so I applied this one, which is from Believe Beauty. And this one is called Rouge Veritable. Now we're gonna stamp something over these nails. I wanted to use this Maniology plate that has the image that I submitted, which is this one over here, but I'm gonna try using a different design, and it's called Maniology M091. I'll have it linked in the description box of this video if you're interested in purchasing it. I'm gonna stamp with this Maniology polish called Bam White. It turned out a little crooked. I didn't center it properly on the nail, but it's really pretty. I'm gonna try to use this image. Believe in yourself. And for the pinky, I'm gonna choose a word. I'm gonna choose blessed. And since there's more space, I'm gonna try to get some of these tiny little flowers to fill up that empty space. That looks really pretty. And as always, I use a piece of tape to clean off the excess polish. Now we're ready for a top coat. I'll seal in my design with my Born Pretty No Smudge top coat. I ended up applying my Sally Hansen matte top coat because I really love how when you apply a matte top coat, the image really pops and it's easier to see. So here is the completed manicure. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye! Remember, if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them down below.